Hi, Emily Taylor here from Collage Quilter. I am in the middle of my Petit Rouge rooster project, and I've laid them all out on their foundation panels. A few of them, specifically these two roosters, they kind of blend in with the background fabric maybe a little bit more than I want. I mean, I like it somewhat, but boy, we kind of really lose his the edge of his body right here. So I'm going to pull out my Inktense pencils and just add a little bit more of a shadow right there just to differentiate the rooster from the background that he's on. Okay, so I've got both of these here and I'm going to just do both of them. So I think the pencils that I'm going to use, I've sharpened them and got them already. I'm going to use Deep Indigo and maybe a little bit of the outliner. I like the, so I'm just going to do kind of a cross hatch just right here. Oh, I guess I better get my paintbrush too, so that I can add a little bit of water. And I'm going to grab a, thank you, Amelia. I'm going to grab, probably ought to have a paper towel too. And while I'm at it, sometimes I tend to get carried away just because it's so fun. This will add a little drop shadow underneath his gobbler, whatever it is, gobble gobble. There, that's just a teeny little bit of a shadow. And watch what happens when I add a little bit of water to this Inktense. Oh yeah, that looks so pretty. And if you're concerned that you're laying down too much color, you can always, while it's wet, take a paper towel and just dab some of it up. But I'm actually not worried about it because as this dries, it will lighten up just a little bit too. But that gives me just a little bit more difference between the rooster and his background. So that's all I had in mind for this. Now I'm going to do it on, I think this is Pierre. I do it on Pierre too. Now I'm adding a good amount of water to just make sure that that kind of bleeds into the rooster. And if I wanted to, I could do it, you know, anywhere that you feel like you might want a little more distinction between the background and the rooster. I'm going to do him also, again using Deep Indigo. Just doing a very light cross hatch. Because this one in particular really blends in with the background. So let's add some water. And you can, I like water because I like the way it spreads, but if you would prefer to use painting medium, fabric medium, aloe vera gel, clear aloe vera gel. There, and I'm pretty confident that that's going to, I think that's all I needed, just that little touch. All right, here we go. So there we go, all finished. Take a look. See the difference? Okay. See you again soon.